Meaning of culture. Culture is a comprehensive and encompassing term that includes what we have learned about our history, values, morals, customs, art, and habits. Culture is the complex of values, ideas, attitudes, and other meaningful symbols created by people to shape human behavior and artifacts of that as they are transmitted from one generation to the next. The above definition highlights 3 important attributes of an individual's culture. First, it is created by people, evolving due to human activities, and passed on to the succeeding generations. Second, the impact of cultural influence is both intangible and tangible. People's basic attitudes and values directly result from their cultural environment. Beliefs in freedom of speech and choice, heterosexuality, are products of human action. Additionally, people leave physical evidence of their culture through art and craftwork, buildings, furniture, laws, and food. Third, the cultural environment evolves, and it most often evolves over lengthy periods. Changes in women's roles in the home and business and the outward desire for leisure time have come about quite slowly. Other changes, however, occur more quickly. Clothing styles, for example, come and go rather hastily. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.